The African Jacana, also known as the Jesus bird or lily trotter, is a medium-sized wading bird with a distinctive appearance. In this video, we'll delve into the unique characteristics of this bird, including its physical features, habitat, diet, and mating habits. So join us as we explore the fascinating world of the African physical characteristics. The African Jacana is a bird of striking beauty with a combination of vibrant colors and extraordinary adaptations that set it apart from other bird species. It has an average length of 33 centimeters and can weigh up to 720 grams. The most striking feature of the African Jacana is its long toes, which are particularly well adapted for walking on floating vegetation. The outer toe is exceptionally long, reaching up to 13 centimeters in length, while the other toes are relatively shorter. This adaptation allows the bird to navigate through dense vegetation without getting its legs wet and also enables it to forage more efficiently in shallow waters. The African Jacana has a unique gait when walking on water plants, and it appears to distribute its weight evenly, preventing it from sinking. Its legs are also webbed, aiding in its movement through the water. Additionally, the African Jacana possesses strong, sharp claws that help it grip onto floating plants and extract prey. The bird's plumage is equally distinctive, featuring a chestnut brown body and a white face with a black stripe through the eye. It has a dark green glossy head and neck and a red bill that is long, slender, and slightly curved. Overall, the African Jacana's physical characteristics are not only remarkable, but also serve essential functions in its natural habitat. Its long toes enable it to thrive in dense wetland vegetation, while its distinctive coloration and bill shape make it a captivating sight to behold. Habitat and distribution. The African Jacana is widely distributed across sub-Saharan Africa, inhabiting a variety of wetland habitats, including lakes, marshes, and slow-moving rivers. They prefer shallow waters with dense vegetation where they can forage for food and conceal themselves from predators. The African Jacana's range extends from South Africa and Eastern Africa to the western parts of the continent. They can be found in countries such as Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, and Zambia, as well as in the Congo rainforest and the Niger Delta. Within these regions, they typically inhabit areas with papyrus, water, hyacinths, and other aquatic plants that provide them with the necessary cover and resources. The African Jacana's preference for undisturbed wetlands highlights the importance of protecting these fragile ecosystems from human activities such as pollution and habitat destruction. By preserving their natural environment, we can ensure that these remarkable birds continue to thrive in their native habitats for generations to come. Diet and feeding habits. The African Jacana is primarily an insectivorous bird, feeding mainly on insects and other small invertebrates that are found in and around aquatic vegetation. Its diet consists of a variety of prey, including beetles, dragonflies, termites, and mosquito larvae. The bird uses its long bill and strong claws to probe and uproot aquatic plants in search of insects. It can also feed on terrestrial insects that venture near the water's edge. Additionally, the African Jacana occasionally consumes small fish, tadpoles, and even the eggs of other birds. When foraging, the African Jacana typically stands motionless for extended periods, patiently waiting for unsuspecting insects to approach before swiftly capturing them. Its speed and agility in catching prey are remarkable, and it is known to consume large quantities of insects daily. The bird's feeding habits not only satisfy its own dietary needs, but also play a role in controlling insect populations in wetland ecosystems. Behavior and adaptations. The African Jacana is a highly adaptable bird capable of thriving in a wide range of wetland habitats. It is known for its unique behavior, including its distinctive gait and its ability to walk on floating vegetation. This remarkable adaptation has earned it the nickname Lily Trotter, or Jesus bird. The African Jacana's behavior is influenced by various factors, including its physical characteristics, habitat, and feeding habits. Its long toes and webbed feet enable it to navigate through dense wetland vegetation and shallow waters with ease. The bird's ability to walk on floating plants is attributed to its weight distribution and claw grip, which allows it to stay upright and avoid sinking. The African Jacana is also highly dependent on visual cues and is known to bob its head and make quick eye movements to assess its. This behavior helps it detect potential predators and locate insects for consumption. The bird is also highly mobile and can travel long distances in search of suitable habitat and abundant food sources. Its daytime movement patterns are influenced by factors such as wind conditions and the availability of food. Overall, the African Jacana's behavior is a testament to its adaptability and resilience, allowing it to flourish in diverse wetland environments across sub-Saharan Africa. Mating system and reproduction. The African Jacana exhibits a unique mating system known as Polyandry, where females mate with multiple males. This behavior sets it apart from most bird species that practice monogamy or polygyny. Polygyny, on the other hand, involves one male mating with multiple females. The African Jacana's polyandrous mating system raises questions about parental care and offspring survival. Despite having multiple mates, females typically lay their eggs in the same nest, and all the males involved may participate in incubating the eggs and caring for the young. Studies have shown that the male jacanas that participate in communal nesting often form strong bonds with each other, cooperating in defense of the shared territory. This cooperative behavior extends to the care of young chicks, where multiple males assist in feeding and protecting them until they are ready to leave the nest. The offspring produced through polyandry may benefit from the combined genetic contributions of multiple fathers, increasing the genetic diversity of the next generation. However, the complex social dynamics of the African Jacana mating system continue to be an area of scientific investigation, and researchers are working to fully understand the evolutionary basis and ecological implications of this unique behavior. Conservation status and threats. The African Jacana is currently listed as a species of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN. This classification reflects the bird's wide distribution and relatively large population size. However, it is important to note that the African Jacana may face threats in certain localized areas due to habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change. Habitat loss due to drainage of wetlands for agricultural purposes or urbanization can impact the availability of suitable breeding and foraging grounds for the African Jacana. Additionally, pollution of water bodies with pesticides or other chemicals can affect the bird's health and survival. Climate change may also pose a threat by altering the timing of insect emergence, which can impact the availability of food for the African Jacana and its chicks. To ensure the long-term survival of this unique bird species, it is crucial to protect and restore wetland habitats, reduce pollution, and address the impacts of climate change. By taking these measures, we can help safeguard the African Jacana and preserve its remarkable adaptations for future generations to enjoy. The African Jacana is a highly specialized bird that has evolved a unique set of adaptations to thrive in wetland habitats across sub-Saharan Africa. With its striking chestnut brown body, white face, and extraordinarily long toes, it is a captivating sight to behold. Its remarkable ability to walk on floating vegetation has earned it the nickname Lily Trotter or Jesus Bird, while its distinctive gait and behavior continue to intrigue scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. The African Jacana's diet primarily consists of insects and other small invertebrates found in aquatic vegetation, and its feeding habits play an essential role in controlling insect populations in wetland ecosystems. Its polyandrous mating system, where females mate with multiple males and the males share parental duties, adds another layer of complexity and wonder to its life cycle. As a species of least concern according to the IUCN, the African Jacana's conservation status is currently secure. However, it is vital to protect and restore wetland habitats to ensure its continued survival. By addressing threats such as habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change, we can help safeguard this remarkable bird and its unique adaptations for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of the African Jacana. We hope you've enjoyed learning about this remarkable bird and its intriguing adaptations. If you're a bird enthusiast or simply someone who appreciates the wonders of the natural world, We invite you to stay tuned for more captivating wildlife videos. Your support means everything to us, and we're grateful for every like and comment that helps us continue exploring and sharing the beauty of our planet. Until next time, keep looking up, keep questioning, and keep discovering the magic that surrounds us.